Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to talk about how to fix redirection errors in Google Search Console. So let's get started. Log in your Google Search Console account and then you can see few options. Click here on pages inside the indexing in the menu and then you can see so many status or errors. So here you can see pages with redirect. So first question is, are they fixable? So answer is it depends. First you need to make sure that are they intentionally redirected or not. Avoid redirection because Google does not focus much on URL structure. So suppose if I say this is a terms and condition, if I click here and where it is redirecting, terms and conditions, terms and conditions, I didn't find any redactions. So you have to download all the pages and check one by one what is happening. So I can see HTTPS is missing, right? So somewhere you are using without HTTPS URL in your website. So you can fix most of the errors. How? Over the period of time Google reduce these redirections, but if you have internal links then it will take time. So what you can do, you can just crawl your full website in any SEO tool. I would recommend Screaming Frog and see if you have any 301 404 or any status code error, and you have to remove it or fix it. So after that you will realize that all the errors will be fixed very soon. So first you avoid redirection, like someone, if you remove uh, trailing slash, someone using HTTPS. So these are the redirection issues you have to avoid as much as possible, because one time if Google crawl, they do it again and again because Google is greedy, right? So you have to take care of this. And second, Google does not care about much URL structure, so don't change your URLs again and again. If these are intentional and there is no internal links, so you don't need to worry about it. Over the period of time Google will remove it. It takes time, so don't think that it's been 3 months and 4 months and Google is not removing it. Don't think about it, because maybe somewhere you have external links of these pages, right? Or if Google is crawling these pages again and again, so it maybe it was the good page you removed or redirected. So redirect it the right place, that is very important, the relevant page. Don't redirect these pages to a single page, right? For example, if I open this page, it's redirecting to home page. So this is not the best practice. You don't need to redirect it to the home page. All the 404 page people redirect to a single page or home page. So what you can do, you have to send it to 404 or 410. If there is no relevant page to redirect, you can send it to 404 or 410. Don't send it to home page. And after that, what you can do, you can make 404s similar to home page, but make sure you are specifying that it's a 404 page, not found page, because users might get confused, right? So you have to download this from here and you have to see every page, what's the reason, what I did wrong that all these pages are redirecting. So where we have links, So if you want to see one few examples, you can retrieve the data, and here you can find referring page. So it's external site, you can't do anything, right? So what's the region redirection? Thrashing slash, got it. So what the website owner did, they redirected all the pages to trailing slash. So this slash they added extra, and that's why this is redirecting. So this is a silly mistake you have to avoid. It will not help, first of all, if you use slash or not slash. Google does not give any advantage for slash, and even does not giving, it's not giving advantage in keyword in URL or something, very minor we can say. So avoid so much changes in URLs, that's the recommendation. And if recently you added redirection and Google is, and there is no internal links, you don't need to do anything, keep it as it is. So thank you so much guys watching this video. If you have any query, you can ask me in the comment box. Thank you.